If you're considering a kitchen renovation and are wondering, can I remodel my kitchen for $30,000? You're not alone. Many homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo are curious about what a kitchen remodeling contractor, Kitchener, can achieve within this budget. With property values soaring and the trend towards open, functional living spaces, kitchen renovations have become a popular way to enhance both lifestyle and home value. Understanding the costs involved is crucial to making informed decisions about your renovation project. In this article, we'll explore the factors that influence kitchen remodeling costs, including materials, labor, and design choices. We'll also provide insights into how you can maximize your budget while achieving the kitchen of your dreams. From selecting cost-effective yet stylish materials to prioritizing changes that deliver the most impact, this guide will equip you with practical tips and ideas. Whether you're looking to modernize your space or simply improve its functionality, knowing where your money will be best spent can make all the difference. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of how to navigate your kitchen renovation project in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, ensuring you achieve a balance between aesthetics, functionality, and cost. Let's get started. Understanding the costs of kitchen remodeling in Kitchener-Waterloo. Remodeling your kitchen in Kitchener-Waterloo for $30,000 is certainly possible, but it requires careful planning and prioritization. The cost of a kitchen remodel can vary significantly based on the size of your kitchen, the quality of materials selected, and the scope of the renovation. When working with a kitchen remodeling contractor in Kitchener, you'll need to balance your wish list with your budget constraints to achieve the best possible outcome. One of the most significant expenses in kitchen remodeling is cabinetry, which can consume a large portion of your budget. Choosing stock or semi-custom cabinets instead of fully custom options can help you save substantially. Additionally, while high-end appliances and luxury countertops like granite or quartz are desirable, opting for mid-range alternatives can help you stay within budget. It's also worth considering which elements of your current kitchen you can retain and refresh rather than replace entirely. For instance, updating cabinet hardware or repainting rather than installing new cabinets can be both cost-effective and transformative. Engaging a knowledgeable kitchen remodeling contractor in Kitchener is crucial for maximizing your investment. They can provide insights into cost-effective solutions that maintain both quality and aesthetics. Contractors familiar with local suppliers can often secure better deals on materials, helping stretch your budget further. Here are some practical tips to keep your kitchen remodel on budget. Prioritize your needs and wants, focusing on essential upgrades that will enhance functionality and value. Consider refinishing or refacing cabinets instead of replacing them to save costs. Explore local suppliers for materials to potentially find quality products at lower prices. Schedule your remodel during the off-season when contractors might offer more competitive rates. Plan your remodel carefully to avoid mid-project changes, which can significantly increase costs. How to choose the right kitchen remodeling contractor in Kitchener. Choosing the right kitchen remodeling contractor in Kitchener is crucial to ensure your renovation project stays on budget and meets your expectations. With a budget of $30,000, it's important to find a contractor who understands your vision and can offer quality work within your financial constraints. Start by researching local contractors who have a solid reputation and experience in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. Look for reviews online, ask for recommendations from friends or family, and check if the contractor is part of any professional organizations, which can be a sign of their credibility and commitment to industry standards. When narrowing down your choices, consider not only the cost, but also the scope of services each contractor offers. Some contractors, like Kitchen&Bath-Reno-Guys, provide comprehensive services that include everything from design to installation, which can help streamline the process and potentially save on costs. Discuss your budget openly with potential contractors and ask if they can provide a detailed estimate that breaks down costs for materials, labor, and any other expenses. This will help you understand where your money is going and identify any areas where you might want to cut back or invest more. Ask for a portfolio of past projects to get a sense of the contractor's style and quality of work. Ensure the contractor is licensed and insured to protect yourself from any liabilities during the project. Discuss timelines and make sure the contractor can accommodate your schedule. Get multiple quotes to compare prices, but be wary of bids that are significantly lower than others. Communicate clearly about your needs and expectations to avoid misunderstandings during the renovation. Budget-friendly kitchen design ideas for Kitchener homes. Planning a kitchen remodel in Kitchener for $30,000 is certainly achievable with the right strategies and a bit of creativity. By focusing on smart design choices and prioritizing key elements, you can transform your space without exceeding your budget. As a reputable kitchen remodeling contractor in Kitchener, we have gathered some practical tips to help you make the most of your investment. First, consider working with your existing kitchen layout to avoid the costly expenses of moving plumbing and electrical systems. By retaining the same footprint, you can allocate more of your budget towards high-impact updates such as cabinetry and countertops. Opting for semi-custom cabinetry instead of fully custom options can provide a personalized look while keeping costs in check. Additionally, laminate or quartz countertops can offer durability and style at a fraction of the cost of natural stone. Focus on lighting. Updating your kitchen lighting can dramatically enhance the space. Consider adding under-cabinet lighting or pendant lights over your kitchen island for a modern touch. Refresh with paint. A fresh coat of paint can rejuvenate your kitchen without breaking the bank. Choose light, neutral colors to make the space feel larger and more inviting. Upgrade hardware. Swapping out old cabinet handles and drawer pulls for new, stylish options can give your kitchen a quick facelift. Explore open shelving. Removing upper cabinet doors or installing open shelves can create a more open and airy feel, perfect for showcasing your favorite dishware. Consider local suppliers. Sourcing materials from local Kitchener, Waterloo, or Cambridge suppliers can save on shipping costs and support the community. With thoughtful planning and the right kitchen remodeling contractor in Kitchener, you can create a beautiful and functional kitchen that fits your budget. Remember, the key is to prioritize updates that will have the most significant impact while keeping an eye on costs. By following these tips, you can enjoy a stylish new kitchen without overspending. Maximizing your $30,000 kitchen remodel. Tips from Kitchener experts. Embarking on a kitchen remodel with a budget of $30,000 is entirely feasible in Kitchener-Waterloo, provided you strategize effectively. As a homeowner, prioritizing your needs and making informed choices can help you achieve a stunning transformation without breaking the bank. Whether you're dreaming of sleek countertops or new cabinetry, understanding where to allocate your funds is crucial. Consultations with a kitchen remodeling contractor in Kitchener can provide valuable insights on local pricing and options that offer the best value. One of the most significant decisions you'll face is choosing the right materials. Opting for mid-range materials can stretch your budget further without compromising on style or durability. For instance, quartz countertops offer a luxurious look at a fraction of the cost of natural stone and require less maintenance. Similarly, semi-custom cabinets can provide a tailored appearance without the premium price tag of fully custom options. By focusing on these smart choices, you can keep your renovation both stylish and within budget. Plan for essential upgrades. Allocate your budget towards essential upgrades that enhance functionality, such as updating outdated appliances or improving lighting. Embrace DIY where possible. Consider handling minor tasks like painting or installing backsplashes yourself to save on labor costs. Work with local professionals. Engaging a trusted kitchen remodeling contractor in Kitchener can help you navigate local suppliers and secure competitive pricing. Focus on layout changes. Instead of gutting the entire kitchen, consider modifying the existing layout to improve workflow and space utilization. Leverage seasonal sales. Keep an eye out for seasonal sales or discounts on appliances and materials to maximize your budget. By prioritizing your needs and making informed choices, you can achieve a functional and aesthetically pleasing kitchen remodel within your $30,000 budget. Collaborating with local experts ensures that your investment not only enhances your home, but also increases its overall value, making it a wise financial decision for any homeowner in Kitchener-Waterloo. How costs compare across Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge. When considering a kitchen remodel with a budget of $30,000, it's important to understand how costs can vary across Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge. Each city has its unique characteristics that influence remodeling expenses, primarily due to the age and style of the housing stock. In Kitchener, particularly in older wards, homes often require updates to aging plumbing and electrical systems, which can push the renovation costs toward the higher end of the spectrum, typically ranging from $25,000 to $40,000. Homeowners in these areas should be prepared for potential surprises, as older homes might uncover hidden issues once renovations begin. In Waterloo, where much of the residential construction is post-1980s, kitchen remodeling tends to be more predictable and straightforward. The modern infrastructure often means fewer unexpected repairs, allowing homeowners to allocate more of their budget towards aesthetic enhancements and high-quality finishes. Consequently, a kitchen renovation in Waterloo usually falls between $20,000 and $35,000, offering a bit more flexibility in design choices without the concern of unforeseen structural repairs. Cambridge, with its distinct century-old cores in Galt, Hespeler, and Preston, presents a mix of challenges and charm. The historical character of these neighborhoods often means dealing with outdated systems similar to those in Kitchener's older sections. As such, kitchen remodels in Cambridge can range from $28,000 to $42,000, reflecting the additional costs that may arise from updating century-old homes. Homeowners here should prioritize a thorough inspection before starting the renovation to better plan for any older home surprises. Consider hiring a kitchen remodeling contractor in Kitchener who specializes in older homes if you live in an older neighborhood. In Waterloo, leverage the savings from fewer structural repairs to invest in energy-efficient appliances. For Cambridge residents, historical preservation grants may be available to offset some renovation costs. Set aside a contingency fund of 10 to 20% of your budget for unexpected expenses, particularly in older homes. Engage with local contractors who understand the specific challenges and opportunities in each city. Ready to transform your kitchen within budget? At Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys, Kitchener-Waterloo, we specialize in creating stunning kitchens for $30,000 or less. Visit our Kitchen Cabinets Kitchener page for inspiration, or check out our Google page to see what our satisfied customers have to say. Call us today at 226-894-0234 or visit kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca to book a free estimate or get a personalized quote. Let's make your dream kitchen a reality.